All right, we had a design challenge with this bathroom remodel. Our customer requested that we remove this water heater and install a tankless electric water heater. Also, the requirements were that we had to fill a large tub with this heater. Most people don't realize that large tankless heaters require a tremendous amount of electricity, requiring us to run new circuits over to where the new heater is going, but also to upgrade the electrical panel. We're going to take a little walkthrough back over to the electrical panel and show you what's required to upgrade for this larger heater. But it's basically, we have to take the old 200 amp electrical service for the house and replace it with a 400. We have to double the amount of power. That's going to require us to even take down the line coming from the power pole to the house and replace that. Okay, now we've moved outside. So we are inside. We want to put in a tankless water heater. We have to replace the panel. But replacing the panel requires us to put in a new larger meter and also the risers, which you see above. Much larger wire going into this new meter. Okay, so this is how we got here. We've got a request and a design criteria to put in a large tankless heater. We have to upgrade the panel, and that's why we have a long wire laying on the ground. This is the feeder wire going to the house, and this has to be replaced all the way up to the pole to be able to get the power to that tankless water heater. So sometimes one design request for something simple might sound simple, like, hey, I'd like a tankless water heater to fill my tub, could require us to remove the line from the pole to the house, upgrade the panels, all the way back to the bathroom. For more information on kitchen and bathroom remodeling, go to tampakitchenandbath.com.